Hey cuties, welcome back to Vlogtober. Today's vlog is a mix of boutique life, creativity, and a little behind the scenes of everything I've been working on the last couple of days. So let's get into it. I made a quick stop at Dollar Tree to grab a few package fillers. They always have such cute and affordable little extras to add to orders. I can never resist walking through every aisle though. Something about this store just gets me every time. These are some of the cups going out for the spooky mystery boxes. I love seeing how every order turns out a little bit different depending on the theme. These might be some of my favorites so far though. I'm sure y'all have seen me pack many of these football purses. Y'all really love them, and I did restock them. So I have several new colors up on the website, so go and check it out, shopdaisie.com. I'm just packing this order. This is the blue purse, and if there's a color that you think that you would want, let me know, and I think I can probably get that for you. I know they do also have a pink one. I'm thinking about maybe adding the pink one day, but it's not like the bubblegum pink that I like. It's like a peachy pink color. I so love my current packaging. Ain't that like so cute? I made custom shirt tags on my Cricut for my whole brand. These are so cute. I made them with some glitter cardstock and my Cricut machine. And I put my QR code on the back so it takes you to my website. Very easy, so you know where you got it from. It just makes everything feel a little more branded and personal. The small touches are my favorite part of owning a boutique. And here's one of the full spooky mystery boxes coming together. I love curating these. It's like wrapping up a little piece of joy for someone to open, and that's my most favorite thing to do, is make people's day. Sometimes inspiration hits out of nowhere, and I started working on a new charm mirror design. I didn't plan to, but when an idea strikes, I have to run with it. The next morning, I headed over to the Airbnb to get everything ready for our new guests. I always make sure all the TVs are on and working, turn on the neon lights, and do one final walkthrough before check-in. Everything turned out so cozy. I just love seeing the space all lit up and ready for guests to make memories. Colorful Back at the office, I worked on another order, one of our Cutie Bow cold cups. I love how cutesy they look once they're done. Right now, I do lay all of the designs by hand, but that's not by choice. For whatever reason, I cannot get the transfer tape to work with this vinyl. No matter what transfer tape I try, it will not work. If you have any tips, let me know down below what you use, or if it's maybe user error. I've tried a lot of stuff. I just got an order for some more of the Cutie Bow cold cups, so I need to run to Hobby Lobby to get some more cups because I literally just used the last one today on another order for the Cutie Bow cold cup. This is the finished charm mirror I started earlier in the video. I decided to name it the baby girl mirror. I love how the whites and golds came together. It's giving soft, dreamy baby girl energy, if you know what I mean. Next up, I packed an order for Morgan. This is actually her second order with us. It always makes me so happy when cuties come back for more. And to end the vlog, here's a little Nashville night moment. I love riding around downtown with all the lights. It's the perfect way to wrap up a busy day. Thanks for hanging out with me for another day of Vlogtober. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'll see you in the next cozy vlog.